What's up, besties? Today I'm going to be making my 30-minute spicy beefy pasta. It is so good. You're going to love it. I used about a sandwich bag size of meat, and trust me with the soy sauce, I'm going to do about 3 turns. That might be about maybe 3 tablespoons. Then we're going to add a little bit of pepper and stir. Next, you're going to need about 7 or 8 cloves of garlic. You can chop them if you want to. I usually don't. Next up, 2 medium onions, also roughly chopped, and I'm gonna use some peppers. I usually like to add extra jalapeno, but I only had 1 left. So I used 1 large banana pepper and 1 jalapeno, but if you like it spicy, definitely add another jalapeno to that. All of that stuff is gonna go into the pan. This is all gonna cook on medium-high heat. I also love adding mushrooms and green peppers to this, but we're gonna make it simple today. Next, we're gonna add in 2 big heaping tablespoons of tomato paste. Next up, we're gonna add 1 full box of the Campbell's beef broth and half a chicken bouillon cube. And do not add any salt to the dish yet. Then cover and cook on medium-high heat for about 20 minutes. Next, I'm just gonna chop about a handful of cilantro, and you have to wash it really good because sometimes the dirt is really lodged in there. So I had my water boiling, and quick PSA, do not point your handle at the flame of the other oven, girl. I burned the crap out of my hand. Oh my goodness, I was in so much pain. But anyways, the show must go on. Add a teaspoon of salt to the pasta water, and this is a pasta that I use. I really love it. It doesn't overcook. It's like perfect. After about 5-6 minutes, the pasta is going to look like this. It has to be a little bit raw in the middle. At this point, you're going to take out about 2 cups of pasta water and set it aside. When the meat sauce has reduced about this much, we're going to put the drained pasta in there and mix it up really, really good. Add 1 cup of the pasta water once it's mixed, and if you like it saucier, add like 1 more cup. Cover and cook this for about 12-15 minutes or until the pasta is ready. Then you're gonna add in your cilantro, give it a good mix, and it is ready, you guys. It tastes so good, and it's even better the next day. I don't know what it is about pasta, but it tastes so much better the next day. If you try this recipe and you like it, make sure you let me know, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.